we had seen these three basic formulas. So total work done is nothing but work done in one day into number of days. From this itself, you can find work done in one day. That would be total work done divided by number of days. So work done in one day is total work done divided by number of days. Similarly, from here itself, the first formula, you can find number of days also. That would be total work done divided by work done in one day. So here we have number of days, which is total work done divided by work done in one day. So we've seen different problems wherein we had to calculate either the total work or work done in one day or number of days that will take to complete some amount of work. Now let us look at one problem that uses all these concepts. So let's look at this problem, which says that Ramlal works on a field alone for 2 days. So he's working on this field alone for 2 days. Jagannath joins him on the third day, and then again both of them work together for 2 more days. Shambhu joins on the 5th day, and all three work for 1 day. And then what happens? Ramlal leaves after the 5th day. So now we have to find how many days will it take to complete this whole field. What we know is work done by Ramlal, Jagannath and Shambhu in 1 day. So work done by Ramlal in 1 day is 1 by 24. Work done by Jagannath in 1 day is 1 by 12. And work done by Shambhu in 1 day is 3 by 24. We consider this whole field as one unit. So we have to find the number of days to complete this whole field. So total work that has to be done is 1. Work done by Ramlal is 1 by 24. That is, if I divide this field into 24 equal parts, Ramlal is doing one of those 24 parts. Similarly, Jagannath is doing 1 by 12. That is, if this same field is divided into 12 equal parts, Jagannath will do one of those 12 equal parts. Similarly, Shambhu will do 3 of the 24 equal parts in 1 day. So this is what we know. Don't worry, don't get scared after looking at the problem. What we'll do is, the approach is to follow one thing at a time. So we'll start from the first thing, which is Ramlal. Then we'll move on the second thing, third, fourth. So step by step, we'll solve this problem. So let's start by the first thing that is given to us. We are told that Ramlal works on a field for 2 days. We know that Ramlal does 1 by 24th of the field in 1 day. So these are the two things that are given to us. His 1 day work and number of days he works on the field. So we can find his total work. Total work would be work done in 1 day into number of days. So this is Ramlal, who is doing one of these 24 equal parts. One part out of these 24 equal parts. So total work would be work done in 1 day, which is 1 by 24, into number of days. He works alone for 2 days. So this gives me, so this would be 2 by 24. Or you can say 1 by 12. I'll keep the denominator 24 every time, because I'm dividing this land into 24 equal parts. It would be easier for you to visualize in this case. You can write it as 1 by 12 too. So we get total work done by Ramlal in 2 days is 2 by 24, which you can see. So he's doing 2 of these 24 parts. This was his 1 day work. And in 2 days, he's doing 2 of these 24 plots. So total work done is 2 by 24. Now let's move to the second step, which is Jagannath joins him on the third day. So 2 days are gone. Now third day, what happens is Jagannath joins him and both of them work for 2 days. That is the third day and the fourth day. Both of them will work. Now we know that Ramlal has already covered this much. Now Jagannath joins him. We know work done by Jagannath in 1 day is 1 by 12. So work done by Ramlal is 1 by 24. Work done by Jagannath is 1 by 12. I need to find the total work that they do in these 2 days. So they're working for 2 days together. So work done together in 1 day is work done by Ramlal in 1 day plus work done by Jagannath in 1 day. Now we know that work done by Ramlal in 1 day is 1 by 24 and work done by Jagannath is 1 by 12. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12. Now to add these two, I need to make the denominator the same. I have 24 here and 12 here. So what I do is, I multiply both the denominator and numerator by 2. So I get 1 by 24 plus 2 by 24. So this gives me 3 by 24. That is, work done together by both of them in a day is 3 by 24. We know that Ramlal is doing one of these 24 equal parts. Now let's look at Jagannath. Jagannath is actually covering 2 of these 24 parts. So 1 by 12 is same as 2 by 24. So 1 by 12 means 2 of these 24 parts. So that means one plot of these 24 which is being done by Ramlal and 2 of these 24 plots which are being done by Jagannath. So in a day, you can add these two, that is 2 plus 1, 3 plots in a day. 3 of these 24 plots in a day, which is what we get, 3 by 24. So work done in 1 day together is 3 by 24 and we know that they work together for 2 days. So we can find the total work that they do. So total work is work done together in 1 day into number of days. Now work done together is, we've already found this, work done together in 1 day which is 3 by 24. So 3 by 24 into number of days is 2. So they work for 2 days together. So we get 6 by 24. So this is third day, 1 plot, third day, 2 plots. And now let's look at the fourth day. So fourth day again he will do 2 of these 24 plots and fourth day he does 1 plot again. So this is the work that has been done. So total work in 2 days, that is in third and fourth day, is 6 by 24. Now what happens is, so 4 days we done, Shambhu joins them on the 5th day and they work together for a day. Now so all of them will work together for a day. Shambhu has joined them and Shambhu is doing this much work. This is nothing but, if you carefully observe this, 1, 2, 3. So 3 parts of this 24 are being covered by Shambhu. So work done by Shambhu is 3 by 24. Work done by Ramlal is 1 by 24 and work done by Jagannath is 1 by 12. Now all of them work together for 1 day. So total work that they do together in a day would be work done by Ramlal plus work done by Jagannath plus work done by Shambhu, which would be Ramlal is doing 1 by 24, 1 of the 24 equal parts. Jagannath is doing 1 by 12. And Shambhu is doing 3 of the 24 equal parts. This is work done by each, which is 6 by 24. Taking LCM, you can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 here. So I get 24 in all cases. 1 plus 2 plus 3, which gives me 6. So work done together in 1 day is 6 by 24. So all of them on the 5th day, which is this day, this is work done by Jagannath, this is work done by Shambhu, and this is the work done by Ramlal. So in 5th day, they are doing 6 by 24. That is 6 of 24 equal parts. Now what happens after 5th day? Ramlal leaves. So let us find till now, how much work has been done? So total work that has been done in these 5 days would be work done by Ramlal alone in 2 days. The first 2 days only Ramlal worked. Then Ramlal was joined by Jagannath for next 2 days. So work done by Ramlal plus Jagannath in the next 2 days, which is day 3 and 4. So in day 3 and 4, this is the work done by Ramlal, and 3 and 4, this is Jagannath's work. Plus work done by all 3 of them, which is Ramlal, Jagannath and Shambhu on day 5. So this is day 5's work, Shambhu, Ramlal and Jagannath. So which would be? We've already found that work done by Ramlal in 2 days was 2 by 24. Work done by Ramlal and Jagannath in the next 2 days was 6 by 24. And similarly, work done on day 5 was also 6 by 24. So we can add all these 3. 2 by 24 plus 6 by 24 plus 6 by 24. So this would give me 2 plus 6 plus 6, which is 14 by 24. So of these 24 parts, 14 parts have been done in 5 days. So work done in 5 days is 14 by 24. Now what happens is, Ramlal has to leave. So the remaining work has to be done by Jagannath and Shambhu together. Ramlal leaves. Now how many days will it take to complete the field? We know total work done in 5 days is 14 by 24. What is the work remaining? Total work minus that work that has already been done. So total work minus work done in 5 days. We know that total work which they have to complete is 1. Work done in 5 days is 14 by 24. That is 1 minus 14 by 24, which gives me that is work remaining is 10 of these 24 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Visually you can see that 10 of these 24 equal parts are still remaining. That is, that work has still to be done, which is what we get. That work remaining is 10 by 24. Now, how many days will it take to complete the field? Okay. So now who all are working? Ramlal has left after the 5th day. Now only Jagannath and Shambhu are working. So work done together in 1 day would be work done by Shambhu plus work done by Jagannath. We already know that Shambhu does 3 by 24 in a day and Jagannath does 1 by 12, which is also equal to 2 by 24. So 2 of the 24 or 1 by 12. So what we get from here is that 5 of the 24 plots, that is 3 by 24 plus 1 by 12, which gives me 5 by 24. So work done together in 1 day is 5 of 24 plots. What is the work remaining? 10 of 24 plots. We want to find number of days they will take to complete this 10 of 24 plots. So number of days would be total work done together divided by work done in 1 day. So number of days would be total work done together divided by work done together in 1 day. Total work that has to be done, work remaining is 10 by 24. Work done together in 1 day also we found is 5 by 24. So dividing the two, so 10 by 24, I can convert division to multiplication and reciprocate the denominator. So this gives me 2. That is, number of days they will take to complete these 10 of 24 parts is 2, which you can visually see now. So till day 5, this is what we have. Now let's look at day 6. So this is day 5. Let's look at day 6. What happens in day 6? Shambhu will do 3 paths and Jagannath will do 2. That is 1 by 12 or you can say 2 by 24. So this is what Jagannath is doing on the 6th day. Now let's look at the 7th day. So 7th day again Shambhu does 3 plots and this remaining 2 plots are being done by Jagannath. His 7-day work. So what you can see is that it takes 7 days to complete the whole field, or you can also say that after the 5th day it took 2 more days, that is day 6 and day 7, to complete the rest of the field. So the whole field, concluding it, entire thing, what happened is that the whole field got completed in 7 days.